In biological anthropology, we have a problem. We have a problem of inclusivity. Historically, we are very white, we are very wealthy and middle class, and we are very isolated from many, many other disciplines. All of those things need to be challenged. We need to open up. We need to understand how to go out and recruit and retain diverse students, diverse researchers, diverse populations, and we need to understand what that means for our own teaching and our own understanding. To go out, to understand, and to be inclusive means to understand, to spend some time realizing that there are many successful ways to be human, and to really recognize that the landscape of the world and of the academy is not flat. It's uneven, and we need to work as hard as we can to correct those imbalances, to get a flat landscape, to make it all about the science and the questions. And to do that, we need to be inclusive. My name is Agustin Fuentes. That places me, for some people, in a particular place, a particular context. I am male, I have long hair, I come from a particular background. All of these things are part of who I am and part of the ways in which I see the world. It's what's in between me and the world. It's the way I exist. So, you might ask, how does this influence how you teach? Well, I came up in a very different way than many of my students. Right? Many of the students I teach today have a much more privileged background, went to better schools, and got trained on how to do school. Things that I didn't have in the same way. So working through my experiences and translating that for the students gives them insight into the reality that there are a lot of successful ways to be human. Like I joke with my students all the time. I'm sure every single one of them did better on the SAT than I did, but I'm the professor. Let's then query, what does that mean about standardized exams? What does that mean about test taking? What does that mean about who has the passion and the desire and the capacity to quest for knowledge? We can't ignore diversity in our histories and in ourselves. We've got to make it work for us, and we can do that. And that's good anthropology.